it's Nate here, and I'm at Long McQuay today to show you why the perfect beginner acoustic guitar is only $200. Let's go, I'll show you. Okay, here it is right off the wall. This is my favorite acoustic guitar for under $200. And there are 6 kind of categories or things that I think about when I'm deciding which guitar is my favorite one, and they are price, sound, playability or feel, consistency, availability, and looks. First of all, the price. This guitar is $200 US, $269 Canadian, and the price has been about the same for the past 15 years, which is just crazy. And you can get them for even cheaper if you look for them used, so it's the right price. Second, and arguably the most important factor, is the sound of the guitar. And the biggest thing on the sound of a guitar to me is, does it have a solid wood top or not? Or does it have a laminated or plywood top? When it has a laminated top, it kind of constricts the vibrations a little bit so it doesn't get as good or open or loud of a sound. And this guitar has a solid wood top, and the way you can tell that is if the grain cuts actually all the way through, you can see it, or is it a little sandwich put together with some plywood. Next point is consistency, and makes everything from generators to motorcycles to guitars, so they know manufacturing. But these guitars are super consistent. I've played probably over 60 or so of them, maybe even up to 100 in my life, and minus a few little setup tweaks, they're always very consistent, very predictable sound, really reliable. Availability, you can find these everywhere. They're pretty ubiquitous. You can get them in just about any guitar store you walk into, any website you go visit, they're going to have these, so they're easily accessible. Pretty much no matter what country you live in, you can get one of these. Look, so this guitar is pretty plain looking, pretty standard looking, but it comes in a lot of different finishes for you to choose from, and it even comes in a smaller concert body style if you want to pay a little extra, or a cutaway with electronics if you want to pay a little extra too, so options are always good. All right, now for the big reveal. What guitar is this that I'm holding? It is a Yamaha FG800. It used to be called an FG700S, and for my money, if I only had 200 bucks to spend on a guitar, this would be the one that I buy. You may completely disagree with me. Let me know in the comments below what you think the perfect starter guitar is for around this price range, and that may help some people out there that are looking to get into their first acoustic guitars and make a decision. Thanks to Long McQuay for letting us come and crash their store once again. We really appreciate it, guys. See ya.